Is the California lemon law applicable to used cars? If you're currently facing distress and frustration with a used vehicle you purchased in California, which requires frequent repairs, there's no need to worry. The California lemon law provides an avenue for consumers dealing with consistently faulty vehicles to seek resolution, part ways with the problematic car, and potentially receive compensation from the auto manufacturer. In this informative video, we will delve into the details of how the California lemon law applies specifically to used cars. We will explore the process, the eligibility criteria for compensation, the various settlement options available, and provide guidance on initiating a lemon law claim for your defective used car. Let's dive right in. To begin, does the lemon law really apply to used cars in California? Yes, the California lemon law applies to both new and used vehicles bought or leased in California. Now, if that's the case, what are the requirements for your used car to qualify for compensation? If you bought a used car and it turned out to be defective, you might be entitled to receive compensation from the manufacturer as long as the car is covered by an existing warranty. This is the first requirement. The warranty can either be the original manufacturer's warranty if it's still active, or a new warranty issued by the manufacturer or dealer when you purchase the used vehicle. Remember, a written warranty is the basis of your lemon law claim. Without one, you have no case. An additional condition is that the manufacturer must have been notified about the defect and unsuccessful in resolving it, despite multiple repair attempts. Typically, this indicates that the vehicle underwent at least 2 repair attempts for significant safety issues, 4 repair attempts for non-safety problems, or was retained by the dealership for over 30 days. If your used vehicle fulfills both of these conditions, you could potentially initiate a strong case under the lemon law. How about those cars sold as is? Used vehicles sold as is will not qualify for California lemon law protection because under such arrangements, the buyer is presumed to take full responsibility for any potential defects or issues. If your lemon law claim is successful, what settlement can you expect? In the event that your used car is determined to be a lemon, the manufacturer may choose to compensate you through a refund or buyback. This is where the manufacturer offers to repurchase your used car and refund you the full amount you paid for the vehicle. Vehicle replacement. Under this arrangement, the manufacturer or dealer must replace your vehicle with a non-defective one that is closely similar to yours in terms of vehicle year, model, accessories, warranties, service contracts, and value. Now that you know how the lemon law applies to your used vehicle, what are the next steps? The first step is to gather your evidence. Every document and receipt pertaining to your used lemon vehicle should be filed and ready to be used as evidence for your claim. These include written warranties, sales and service contracts, payment receipts, inspection reports, repair orders and repair invoices detailing the reported defects and corresponding repair dates, etc. The next step is to seek advice from a proficient lemon law attorney. The sooner you engage the services of an experienced and well-informed lawyer who can assist you in understanding the complexities of the law and the claims procedure, the greater your likelihood of success in your case. Your attorney will conduct a meticulous evaluation of your claim, provide tailored legal advice, and support you in navigating through the claims process with expertise. And here's the best part. You will receive all these services from your attorney absolutely free of charge. Yes, you heard that correctly. You can have a top-notch attorney representing you without incurring any expenses. In California, lemon law attorneys work on a contingency fee basis. This means that their fees are included in the settlement and are covered by the automaker. They only receive payment if they succeed in winning your case. It's time to act and secure the compensation you rightfully deserve. Remember, the law is in your favor, and you shouldn't be left stuck with a lemon. For assistance to file a lemon law claim in California, visit lemonlawyers.org by clicking on the link in the description below or call 323-553-7525 today for a free consultation. Thank you for watching.